Storm has already started. It is currently snowing in Denver. It's about 9:40 and I am starting the 5-hour drive to Taos, New Mexico. Just about 12 o'clock and the ETA says 3 o'clock, so I think it's probably gonna take at least 3.5 hours, maybe 4. I don't know if I'll get there tonight. We'll see how far I can make it. Stupid. Went out to use the restroom. There's like 50 to 100 pounds of ice caked onto my cargo rack. Jesus. All right. Onward. I am exhausted. Made it here safely. I'm gonna call it here. I actually had some snow come in. Gotta get this up. But 7:33, I need to get going so I can get some first tracks. Either way. Second day, Taos. Beautiful. Got here a bit later. Should be a good powder day. Should be opening some lifts up, so I'm pretty psyched. Maybe not today, but maybe tomorrow. Swapped over to the 2020 flagship today because slapped a rock. Just finished up a fantastic day. One last look at the mountain. It's an interesting mountain. It's got some wild terrain, pretty big cliffs. I figured a lot of it's just rocky to begin with. That's why I took the rock board out. And we're heading home. Driving up to the mountain now, a little later than usual. Did have a good night's sleep though, which is good. I would rather sleep in an extra hour and have a restful night rather than just being tired for the day. So don't mind a later start. We'll see what happens with parking, but I did show up a little bit later and it is a weekend. Still no spots. Let's go. Thank you. My spot. fantastic 4 days. Can't complain. But we're off to the next snowstorm, and it seems like it's hitting Utah pretty hard. So we're gonna take a 10.5 hour drive up from Taos, New Mexico to Salt Lake. Change of plans. I forgot my boots outside of my car. So about an hour and a half into the drive and heading back. So that's gonna add a good 3 hours on the drive. Back in the parking lot. This is the final test. Needs to be close by. Yes, they're there. No shit. Perfectly on the side. Jesus Christ. Those are going straight back.